Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract money effortlessly, while others, no matter how hard they work, struggle just to survive? Picture this: two friends, same education, same opportunities, same starting point. But 10 years later, one is living free, wealthy, enjoying choices. The other, still drowning in bills and debt. So, what makes the difference? Is it luck? Hard work? Or is there a hidden law that governs money, a law most people never learn? Welcome, my friend, to this audiobook summary of The Law of Money by Justice O. Malcolm. This book reveals the timeless principles of wealth creation, the psychology of money, and the exact steps that anyone, yes, anyone, can take to achieve financial freedom. Stay with me till the end, because what you're about to hear might just change the way you think about money forever. Author background importance of the book. Justice O. Malcolm isn't just another financial writer. He's a thinker, an entrepreneur, and a legal mind who spent decades studying wealth patterns. He blends law, psychology, and real-world lessons to show us how money truly works. This book isn't about quick riches. It's about understanding money at its core, how it flows, how it grows, and how you can master it. And the reason this book is important? Because it shatters the myths we've been told, myths about money, success, and hard work. Instead, it gives us tools, practical, realistic, and life-changing. Lesson 1. Money is energy, not just paper. The first law: money is energy. Most people see money as just paper, or numbers on a bank screen. But Malcolm says money is actually a reflection of value exchanged. Think of a street vendor selling hot samosas. Every day people line up. Why? Because he delivers value, delicious food, fast service, fair price. That's why money flows to him. But the man who sits at home complaining about life, waiting for luck, he attracts nothing. Money doesn't reward just effort. It rewards effective effort. So here's your shift. Stop chasing money. Start creating value, and the energy of money will naturally follow. Lesson 2. The law of financial discipline. Lesson 2. Discipline. Without it, money slips through your fingers like water. Malcolm tells of a young lawyer. First job, $8,000 a month. He bought a luxury car, ate at fancy restaurants, and flashed the latest gadgets. Within 1 year, he was drowning in debt. Meanwhile, another lawyer earned half as much, but he saved, invested, built smart habits. And by 30, he was financially free. See, discipline isn't punishment, it's protection. The law of discipline comes down to 3 rules. 1. Spend less than you earn. 2. Save and invest consistently. 3. Avoid debt traps that steal your freedom. Think of money like a river. With discipline, you build channels. The water flows, builds power, and creates abundance. Without it, the water floods and disappears. Lesson 3. Money loves a plan. Lesson 3. Money follows a plan. Drifting through life, hoping opportunity will knock, that's not a plan. That's wishful thinking. Picture an entrepreneur with a dream of opening a cafe. Without a plan, she burns her savings, hires too many staff, chooses the wrong spot, and fails. But with a plan, budget, research, clear vision, she attracts investors, cuts risks, and grows steadily. Your plan should have 3 parts. Short-term goals, next 6 to 12 months. Medium-term goals, 2 to 5 years. Long-term goals, your vision of freedom. Malcolm says clarity attracts money, because when money knows where to go, it flows there. Lesson 4. The power of financial knowledge. Lesson 4. Knowledge is the greatest currency. People don't lose money because money is evil. They lose it because they don't understand the rules. 2 friends inherit $50,000. One buys a shiny car. In 10 years, he has nothing left. The other reads, learns, and buys a rental property. In 10 years, he has income streams, equity, and security. That's the difference. Knowledge. Malcolm urges us, learn the basics. Budgeting, investing, taxes, debt. Even small knowledge multiplies your wealth. But ignorance, it silently drains it away. Lesson 5. Attitude and mindset determine financial fate. Lesson 5. Mindset is everything. Fear, negativity, laziness, they push money away. Confidence, curiosity, resilience, they pull it closer. One freelancer doubts his worth. He undercharges, avoids negotiation, lives in fear. Another freelancer believes in his value. He negotiates boldly, invests in growth, and attracts better clients. Same skill, different mindset, different outcome. Malcolm calls it the magnetism of belief. Believe you can create wealth, and your actions will start aligning with that belief. Lesson 6. The importance of multiple income streams. Lesson 6. Never rely on one income. Jobs vanish, markets collapse, emergencies strike, and if your only source dries up, you're vulnerable. Sarah, a teacher, understood this. Along with teaching, she tutored online, wrote an ebook, invested in stocks, and freelanced occasionally. Each stream was small, but together they made her independent. When her school cut salaries, Sarah wasn't broken. She was safe. Diversify your income. Think of it like climbing a ladder. Every new stream is another rung that lifts you closer to freedom. Lesson 7. Action and consistency. And now, the final law. Action and consistency. Too many people know what to do but never do it. They read, they dream, they wait. But money doesn't wait. It rewards those who move. Malcolm compares it to a river. It flows to those who paddle daily, not to those sitting on the bank. Think of a young investor who puts away just $100 a month. Small, yes. But after 10 years of steady, consistent action, compounding turns it into a fortune. Wealth isn't about brilliance. It's about persistence. So, what have we learned? Money is energy. Discipline is freedom. Clarity attracts wealth. Knowledge multiplies it. Mindset shapes it. Multiple streams protect it. And consistency makes it unstoppable. Even if you start small, even if you've struggled before, remember, wealth is not a destination, it's a journey. And every journey begins with a single step. So start today, take control, learn, save, plan, act, and one day you won't just have money, you'll have freedom. If this summary added value to your life, do me a favor. Hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing book summaries. Because the next idea you learn could be the spark that changes everything.